Hi guys, you're welcome to Genius Ideas. In this video, we are going to be talking about operators in Python. Operators in Python are symbols or special keywords used to perform operations on variables and values. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about arithmetic operators first. Operators are used to perform arithmetic operations basically. So let's talk about arithmetic operators. The first one we're going to be talking about is the addition. So let me say, okay, print. If I have two numbers, maybe 10 and 3. So for the addition operator, this is the addition operator over here, this plus over here. Or to make this more, to make it neater, let me do something like x equal to, I'll declare a variable. Let me say x equal to 10 and y equal to 3. Okay, so let me just use x plus y. I think this will be neater. So for the addition operator, this is the addition operator over here, and I believe that you know what will happen. It will just add the two operands together, which is x and y, 10 and 3, and it will give you 13. All right. So the next operator we want to talk about is the subtraction operator. This is the subtraction operator over here. So it will just remove the value on the right from the value on the left, which is x minus y basically. So run this, you see it is giving me 7 because 10 minus 3 originally is going to be giving me 7. Apart from this, we have the multiplication, which is this over here. On your keyboard, that should be shift 8. This symbol over here, shift 8. Normally operator, this is the normal operator for multiplication in math, but please, this is what we have in Python. Shift 8 on your keyboard should give you that. So run this, you see I'm getting 30, which is 10 times 3. Then we have the division. So we have the division. If I should run this, you see it's giving me 3.33333 whatsoever, but we still have two other types of division in Python. We have the modular division, we also have the floor division. Okay, the floor division. So if I have something like 3, then the floor division, and I run this, it's going to be giving me 3. Okay, the reason is because originally no, the reason is because originally 10, let this be a comment. Originally 10 divided by 3 is going to be giving me 3 remainder 1. Okay, so this floor division is going to be taking the whole number. Okay, this whole number is what the floor division is going to be taken, but we have another operator which we call the modulus. Print x modulus y. So this other operator, we call it the modulus. Okay, so this modulus is going to be taking this remainder. If I should run the two of them, you see I'm getting 3 and 1. Okay, 3 is the output of this line 7, while 1 is the output of line 8. Okay, so that is how both other type of divisions work. So we also have the exponentiation operator. The exponentiation, this exponentiation operator, you can just double start. Single one like this is what you call the multiplication operator, but having two of them like this is what we call exponentiation. And basically, this is 10 raised to the power of 3. If I should clear my terminal first, then you see I'm getting 1000, which is 10 raised to the power of 3. So that will be all for arithmetic operators. We also have comparison operators. So comparison operators, they are used to find the relationship between two operands. Okay, comparison operators are used to find the relationship between operands. Your operands can be numbers, it can be strings. Yeah, it can be numbers, it can be strings. So but if you're having x and y, if both of them will be numbers, then you cannot have one number and one string. That won't work. What you can have is both of them becoming numbers or both of them strings. Okay, you can also have both of them booleans. That will work as well. So the first relational relational or comparison operators. So I can have something like The first one is equal to. So if I should run this, it will be giving me false. Okay. Relational operators, they return truth values. Relational operators return truth values. So this is going to be giving me false. Okay. Because 10 is not equal to 3. What if I change this y to 10 and I run this? You see, I'm getting true. So another operator that we are going to be talking about is the not equal to operator. Okay, the not equal to operator, which is basically you having an exclamation mark here. So this is not equal to. If I run this, I'm getting false because 10 is equal to 10. But if I should use this as a string and I run this, you see, it is still giving me true. It is giving me true. The reason is because 10, this, they are of different data types. Even though I'm having 10 here, I'm having 10 here, but they are not the same because this is an integer and this is a string. So it will give you true because they are not equal to each other. All right, they are not equal to um, each other. So what if I have just 10 10 and I run it? It will be giving me false because they are actually not that 10 is not equal to 10 is actually going to be false. But if I have something like 7 here and I run it, you see, it's giving me true. Alright, it's giving me true. So clear the console. Another one we are going to be talking about is the greater than. The greater than. If I should run this, you see, it's giving me true because actually 10 is greater than 7. We also have the less than. If I run this, it will give me false. The reason is because 10 is not less than 7. If I should change this one to 71, for example, and I run it, you see, it's giving me true. It's giving me true. So that will be. We also have the greater than or equal to, then we have the less than or equal to. So for example, less than or equal to, if I run this, it will be giving me true because I have two conditions. Only one of them have to be true. So if I had another 71 here and I run this, you see, it is giving me true because only one of the two conditions have to be true. But if, for example, I change this one to 72 and I run it, it will be giving me false simply because none of both conditions are true. Okay, none of them are true. So the same thing goes for less than or equal to. No, this is less than or equal to. Yeah, greater than or equal to rather. So this is greater than or equal to. If I should run this, it is giving me true because actually 72 is greater than 71. 72 is greater than 71, so it will give me true. Okay, so I think that will be all for the comparison operators that we have. I've spoken about equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to. Then I also spoke about less than or equal to. The next one that we are going to be talking about, we are going to be talking about logical operators. Okay, logical operators are used to compare truth values. They are used to compare truth values. You can also use them to compare relational statements. Okay, you can use them to compare relational statements. So we have three logical operators in Python. Let me just clear everything. Logical operators. So we have three logical operators in Python. We have the and, we have the not, and we have the or. So for the AND operator, the AND operator is going to be returning true only if both operands are true. For example, true, no, it should be capital T, true and true. Okay, so let me go ahead and let me print my result. And what is the result going to be? If I should run the result, I'm going to be getting, you can see, true. So that is for true and true. But if I had one more operator here, for example, false. Okay, if I should run this, you see what I'm getting? I'm getting false. I'm getting false. So that is to tell you one thing. That is to tell you that for the AND operator, for it to return true, both operands that you are trying to combine together, both of them must be true. Okay, both operands must be true. But we have the OR operator. The OR operator is a bit more tolerant. So if one of them is true, then it will return true. For example, You can see true and true. If one of them is true, then it will return true. But if both of them are false, it will return false. But if both of them are true, it is going to be returning true. All right. So but for the not that we have over here, which is the last logical operator, it's a unary operator. Unary operator in the sense that it requires only one operand. Okay, it requires only one operand. So it is used to negate a truth value. For example, not true, it is going to be giving you a false. All right. Not true is going to be giving you false, and not false is going to be giving you true. Okay, so you can also compare, like I said, you can compare logical statements. A good example is maybe 2 less than 10, then and maybe not false. If I should run this, it is giving me true because 2 is actually not less than 10. Okay, and not false is going to be giving me true. So evaluating this, it will evaluate this one as true. It will also evaluate this one as true, and true is going to give me what? True. What if I say not true? It's going to be giving me false. All right. So that is all for the logical operators. um Another thing that we should talk about is the assignment operator. We have the assignment operator, we also have the augmented assignment operators. So the assignment operator, we have used it extensively. Assignment operator, x equal to 10. So this is the assignment operator over here. This assignment operator here, you use it to assign values to variables. That is what you use the assignment operator for. Another thing about this assignment operator, we have some type of assignment operator we refer to as the augmented ones, the augmented assignment operator. So you can have something like x equal to 10. If I want to print x and I run this, I'm getting what? I'm getting 10. What if I come here and do something like x plus equal to 10? What I'm doing basically in this on this line of code is that I'm incrementing the value of x by 10. Okay, this is the same thing as saying x equal to x plus 10. So it will evaluate this one first. And what is the current value of x? 10. 10 plus 10 will be what? 20. It will save 20 in x and I'll print 20 normally. So the short way to do this is to use augmented assignment operator, which is to do something like plus equal to. If I run this, you see I'm still getting back my 20. So we also have the minus equal to. If I run this, I'm getting 0 because 10 minus 10 will give you 0. So we also have the multiplication equal to, the divide equal to, I think we have the modular division equal to, and all that stuff. So the last type of operator that we're going to be talking about, the membership operator. Okay, the membership operator. So membership operator, basically we use them to test for membership. We use them to test for membership. We use them together with lists or tuples. Okay, so you can have something like this with all those Python data structures. That is, you use the membership operators. You can also use it together with a string too, so to check if a character exists in the string. So for the membership operators, so for the membership operators, we have I can do something like is in list, and I'll create a list. I can do something like 1, 2, and 3. Then I'll say 3 in list. Okay, let me print is in list. So this is a variable. I'm trying to check if 3 exists in this list over here. If I run it, you see it's giving me true because 3 actually exists over here, the last element in the list. If I have 2 and I run it, it will be giving me true as well. What if I have 21? It will be giving me false because 21 does not exist. Then the other one is not in. Okay, so not in. In is an operator. is a membership operator. We also have not in, which does the opposite of in, to check if the this element that I have over here does not exist inside this collection. Okay, so that is giving me true because 21 does not exist in 1, 2, and 3, a list of 1, 2, and 3. So I think one other type of operator that we have the equality operator, but I'll just leave all those ones out for now. I think these ones are the ones that you are going to be using more often. So these operators, they play a crucial role in performing a wide range of operations, from basic arithmetic to more complex comparison and assignment in Python programming. And understanding how to use these operators is fundamental to writing expressive and efficient code. So, well, that will be all for operators for now. Thank you for staying till this point. Don't forget to like the video, drop your comments, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. So, thank you very much once again. I would see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.